Do you want me to help put on your chest hair?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so funny.
I wanted to pay tribute to my TV dad from Blue Bloods, Tom Selleck, so I am dressing up as Magnum P.I.
It's very old, bushy.
I'm not enjoying all this chest hair. Guys out there, if you have chest hair, forgive me, but it's like wearing a sweater in the middle of July. It doesn't work. But my wife seems to like it, so I'm gonna enjoy it.
Oh my God!
They're cutting up the candy crystal meth in another room. I'm gonna hand out. I've never done any hard drugs in my life at all, but tonight I'm going as Walter White from Breaking Bad. Think I'm ready to go cook some candy meth.
Where did that chest hair come from? Donnie convinced me to go as Danny Reagan, his character on Blue Bloods.
This is it. This is the final touches.
You're Danny Reagan. Personally, I think he was just looking for a better version of himself.
There's a better way, my son.
I'm going as one of the greatest TV characters in history, Reverend Father Mulcahy from MASH.
Father Mulcahy, yo. Ted Hunt.
Oh, that was great.
Before I reveal myself as Magnum P.I., I'm gonna come out first as Frank Reagan from Blue Bloods, Tom Selleck's character on our hit TV series.
All right, let's do it.